when 6 rounds that were fired out of the rounds fired from that vehicle struck Caitlyn Kaufman's car.
That you will hear no proof that he solicited, ordered, directed, or commanded anybody to kill anyone.
Ms. Kaufman, you've just been handed a photograph. Do you recognize that photograph?
I do.
And is that a photograph that you provided to us of your daughter, Caitlyn Kaufman?
It is.
Happening now, an emotional start to the trial of 2 men accused of killing a Nashville nurse on Interstate 440. Prosecutors are now working to build their case. The 26-year-old nurse was killed in 2020 on I-440, and a tip led to the arrest of Devontae Hill and James Cowan. Blake Eason has been listening to the opening statements and joins us now with what's happened so far this morning.
Yeah, good morning to you, DeKal. It was an emotional morning in court as opening statements are underway. We heard from prosecutors, defense attorneys, and several key witnesses, including the mother and co-worker of Caitlyn Kaufman. The 26-year-old was just on her way to work as an ICU nurse at Ascension St. Thomas when she was shot and killed on Interstate 440. Tips led investigators to arrest 23-year-old Devontae Hill and 30-year-old James Cowan in a connection to her death. Investigators say Cowan was in the car with Hill that night. Witnesses in a preliminary hearing say Hill implied he pulled the trigger and said road rage was a motive. But this isn't stopping the prosecution from pursuing a first-degree murder charge, saying the shooting was intentional.
That bullet struck both of her lungs and her heart. Her car was able to make it to the side of the road, but she sat there in her car with it running, her foot on the brake, as blood filled her lungs, and she died in that car.
And the defense pushing back, admitting Hill did pull the trigger, but they say it was not intentional. Rather, he was not in the right mental state at the time. Take a listen.
This case is not about whether or not Mr. Hill shot Caitlyn Kaufman. He did. This case is not about what Mr. Hill did in the hours and days after, whether he attempted to hide what he had done to protect himself, because he did.
And now, DeKal, coming up at 11:30, we'll hear more from prosecutors on why they believe Hill's Google searches the night of the shooting allege his involvement and could be key evidence in this case.
All right, Blake, thanks so much. We will have a camera in court today to watch this all play out. Stick with News 2 for the newest details, both on air and online at WKRN.com.